In this video, I'm going to demonstrate on how to paint watercolor lemons. I'd like to begin by having some drawings of my slices of lemon and different varieties of yellow watercolor paints that I will be using. Once you're ready, go ahead and erase your pencil's line so that you don't see it through the watercolor. I'm going to begin by adding a very light yellow to my lemon slices, almost translucent the yellow should be, and this will be the base to my sliced lemons. Then repeat and do it to all your lemon slices. Then I'm going to take a little bit of a thinner brush and I'm going to go with a little bit of a darker yellow on the rim of the lemon slice. Then repeat the same techniques on all your lemon slices. Then take your bigger brush and sort of blend it out, but without losing the color of the edge. Now I'm going to begin with my whole lemon. I'm going to give it a coat of yellow, but I do not want to make the whole lemon yellow. Leave some white areas. I'm going to leave my white area closer to the center. Now I'm going to take a brighter yellow and I'm going to go ahead and add it in certain areas of the lemon. You do not need to add the bright yellow everywhere. Now I created a color that's sort of almost like a lemon yellow color, and I'm going to add it in certain areas of the lemon as well. The mistake a lot of people do in watercoloring is that they think they need to cover the whole thing in color. You don't. You just need to add it in certain areas and leave some white areas. Now I created another color that was like almost a mustardy brownish yellow, and I'm going to add that around the curve of the lemon. Now my slices are dried and I'm going to take my ruler and figure out where my center is. I kind of want to make like little wedges, almost like pie slices on my lemon slices, so that I could create that look of the inside of the lemon. Once you've done that, go ahead and erase your pencil lines so that you won't see them when you do your watercolor. Now I'm ready to begin painting my wedges. Go ahead and outline your wedges, but you do not want to touch the ring of your lemon slices. And then add little lines in between, but leave white spaces. Also, I recommend that you do every other one, allowing your paint to dry so that they don't touch each other and the paint runs into each other. Then go ahead and repeat the process on all your other slices. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the stem and the little leaf to the lemon. Now I'm going to begin adding some details to the lemon. I'm going to start where the stem meets the top of the lemon. Now I'm going to go ahead and brighten up the stem. I'm going to give my leaf a little bit more details. Now I made this light, almost mustardy yellowish brown to add the little details of the lemon, and these are going to be little dots that is going to give the lemon some texture. Start applying the little dots in different areas of the lemon. Now I'm going to go back and darken the rim of the lemon slices. I'm using a little bit of a darker yellow, but not necessarily a brighter yellow. And the final detail I'm going to add to my lemon painting is a shadow. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to make watercolor lemons. If you like this video, please like and subscribe below.